morning, students. So, the previous class we are discussing about type number 5, last type in applications of derivatives, that is maxima and minima. Okay. So, working rule for solving maxima and minima, remember the following steps. Step number 1, solve f dash x equal to 0. Simplify that equation to find out the roots. Okay. Step number 2, to distinguish between maxima and minima, we obtain second order derivative, that is solve f double dash x. Once again differentiate. Step number 3, put x is equal to that root in second order derivative. ಆ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ if f double dash x at x equal to that root, its value is positive sign, then the function f of x is minimum at particular point. Whereas f double dash x at x equal to that root, ಆ root ಅನ್ನು second order substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ if its answer is negative sign, then the function f of x is maximum at particular point. Suppose f double dash x at x equal to that root, ಅದನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ second order substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ if its answer becomes 0, then the function f of x is neither maxima nor minima. Such type of function is known as stationary function or point of inflection. Already ನಾವು ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ. Find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by p of x is equal to 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. Same type in a profit function ಕೇಳಿದಾನ. Instead of f of x, here given p of x. P stands for profit function. Now here how to solve? Given p of x is equal to ಏನಿದೆ 41 minus 72x minus 18x square. You know working rule for solving maxima and minima. Step number 1, solve f dash x. Here instead of f dash, solve p dash x. Correct? ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Derivative of 41 constant 0 minus 72 constant derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus derivative of 18x square, multiply 18 2s are 36x. Step number 1, solve p dash x is equal to 0 implies minus 72 minus 36x is equal to 0. Using this to find out the root, this implies minus 72 is equal to 36x. Correct? Divide by 36, x is equal to minus 72 divided by 36. I think 36 ones are, 36 twos are, that is x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now next step, once again differentiate. Solve p double dash x. Instead of f double dash, here p double dash x. P dash x value is minus 72 minus 36x. Once again differentiate. Derivative of minus 72, purely it is constant, its derivative value is 0. Minus 36 constant, derivative of x with respect to x 1, that is minus 36. Minus 36 less than 0, negative value. If the value is negative, then the function p of x is what? Maximum at particular point at the point x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, profit function is given by profit function at x is equal to minus 2. That is p of minus 2 is equal to p of x value is, put x is equal to minus 2, 41 minus 72 into minus 2 minus 18 into minus 2 square. 41 minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 144 minus 2 square 4 into 18 72. So total ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 144 plus 41 185 minus 72. Correct? 113. So profit function is 113. Okay. Next question. Problem number 5. The sum of two numbers is 24. Find the number and their product if the product is maximum. Very important problem. 3 mark question they will ask in final exam. Very simple problem. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವು we don't know ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರು. we take two numbers, let the numbers be say x and y. ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. let the father says be x, daughter says be y. ತಂದೆ ವಯಸ್ಸು x, ಮಗಳ ವಯಸ್ಸು y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ we will take two numbers x and y such that according to the question ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ sum of two number is 24. That is x plus y is equal to 24. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗಳ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಎಡಿಷನ್ 24 ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ತಂದೆಯ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಗಳ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ therefore y is equal to 24. that x goes to x side -6. okay now ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ find the number and their product. let f of x denote product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is denoted by f of x. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ f of x. that is f of x is equal to product of two number ಅಂದ್ರೆ x into y. ಹೌದಾ? so that is f of x is equal to x. the value of y equation 1 24 minus x. correct? so that is f of x is equal to remove that bracket 24x minus x square. we got the function ನಮಗೆ f of x ಸಿಕ್ತು. now working rule for solving maxima and minima. step number 1 solve f dash x. ಹೌದಾ? f dash x differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 24 constant derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus derivative of x square is 2x. step 1 solve f dash x is equal to 0 implies 24 minus 2x is equal to 0 implies 24 is equal to 2x. therefore x is equal to divide by 2 24 by 2 that is 12. x value ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ? now if the product is maximum ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು once again differentiate solve f double dash x. f dash x value is 24 minus 2x. once again differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ derivative of 24 constant 0 minus derivative of 2x minus 2 derivative of x with respect to x is 1 that is minus 2 clearly less than 0. if it is less than 0 therefore f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು product of two number is maximum. f of x is maximum. okay therefore x value ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ 12. okay then to find y put x equal to 12 in equation 1. y is equal to 24 minus x value 12. that is y is equal to 12. ತಂದೆ ವಯಸ್ಸು 12 ಮಗಳ ವಯಸ್ಸು 12. therefore numbers are 12 and 12. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸಿಇಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ನು ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 24 ಹಾಫ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 12. ಓಕೆ 36 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 18. ಓಕೆ 16 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8. ಓಕೆ ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ sum of two number is 24 sum of two number is 36 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 18. find the number and their product if the product is maximum. ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ two numbers are exact half ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 12 CET. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. find the two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and x into y cube is maximum, similar to previous problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ again it is 3 mark question, very important sum, expected they will be asking final exam. Now given data ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ, x plus y is equal to 60 ಹೌದಾ. this implies y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 60 minus x, and xy cube is maximum. Let xy cube denoted by say f of x into let f of x equal to x into y. Now that is f of x is equal to x. The value of y 60 minus x whole power using equation 1. Y value is 60 minus x whole power. We got the function. One function is there. Now working rule for solving maxima and minima. Step number 1. Solve f dash x. Means differentiate dy by dx. Here product of two functions. Apply product rule. U into v rule. First function as it is x into derivative of second function derivative of v. Now v value is 60 minus x whole power 3. Make it as current form. 60 minus x is capital X and it is in the form capital X cube. Derivative of capital X cube 3 into capital X to the power of 2 into another friend. Now friend of 60 minus x into derivative of 60 constant 0 minus derivative of x 1. So first function into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function derivative of x with respect to x 1. Simplify minus 3x into 60 minus x to the power of 2 plus 60 minus x to the power of 3. Among those two common in the 60 minus x to the power of 2 common to minus 3x plus 1 factor 60 minus x. Correct? So 60 minus x whole power 2 into 60 minus 3x minus x minus 4x. This is f dash x. Okay. Now step 1, solve f dash x is equal to 0. Implies f dash x value will be 60 minus x to the power of 2 into 60 minus 4x is equal to 0. Simplify either 60 minus x whole power 2 is equal to 0 or 60 minus 4x is equal to 0. Now taking the square root on both sides, first term 60 minus x equal to square root of 0 is 0 or 60 is equal to 4x. X is equal to 60 or x is equal to 60 divided by 4, that is 4 ones are 4 15s are 50. We got two values 60 and 15. One number 6. You ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, whether we take 60 or we take 15 or we take both. Check it. First 60 ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ, 60 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sum of two numbers 60 ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾನ. x value 60 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ y value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. y value 0 ಆದ್ರೆ x into y cube maximum ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. y value 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 into any number 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ. So that is a point of inflection ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. y value 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. x value 60 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ x is equal to 15. Therefore take x is equal to 15. Okay, now to find y. Now first step is over. Step number 2 ಏನಿದೆ, once again differentiate. Solve f double dash x. f dash x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. again observe ಮಾಡಿ, product of two functions, apply product rule formula. First function as it is into derivative of second function derivative of 60 constant 0 minus derivative of 4x is minus 4 plus second function as it is 60 minus 4x into derivative of first function composite function. If 60 minus 60 capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, capital X square ಆಯ್ತು. derivative of capital X square 2 times capital X into another friend is derivative of 60 constant 0 minus derivative of x is minus 1. That is simplify minus 4 into 60 minus x to the power of 2 plus into minus 2 into 60 minus 4x into 60 minus x. Now f double dash at x equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ root of 15. 15 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ minus 4 into 60 minus 15 to the power of 2 minus 2 into bracket 60 minus 4 into 15 x value 15 into 60 minus 50 that is minus 4 into 60 minus 15 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 45 ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ to the power of 2 15 4 are 60 60 minus 60 0 complete that second part is 0 that is minus 4 into 45 square ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 45 into 45 ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 45 into 45 that is 2025 ಅಲ್ಲ 2025 multiply by minus 4 minus 4 5 are 20 carry 2 4 2 are 8 8 plus 2 10 4 2 are 8 8100 minus sign less than 0 if it is less than 0 conclusion f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು f of x value x y cube is maximum. We got 1 point x value 15, then to find y value. Therefore, equation 1 gives y is equal to 60 minus x value 50. Y is equal to 60 minus 15, 45. Hence, two numbers are 15 and 45. In exact half of body like and the question no. And x into y is maximum ಅಂದಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಬಟ್ x into y cube is maximum ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ again 3 more question same type similar to previous problem number 7 find two positive numbers x and y such that their sum is 35 and x square y power 5 is maximum. Again maximum. After simplification, answer should be negative. Second order derivative should be negative because it is maximum. Same type. Adhu solve madidalla. Adhe type. Yen kodina find two numbers x and y such that their sum given data sum of two number is 35. ಹೌದಾ? Therefore, ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದನ್ನ previous problem check ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ 35 minus x equation 1 let f of x is equal to x square into y power 5 that value denoted by f of x now that is f of x is equal to x square y power 5 y value 35 minus x to the power of 5 we got the function. Now working rule for solving maxima and minima. Step number 1. Solve f dash x. Means dy by dx. Differentiate. Here product of two functions. Apply product rule. First function as it is. Then you went to your rule. Into derivative of second function. Second function using composite function. This name 35 minus 60 capital X and told it. It is in the form x power 5. Derivative of x power 5 is 5 into capital X power 4, correct? Into another friend, derivative of 35 minus x, 35 constant 0 minus derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function derivative of x square is 2x. Correct type product will apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Simplify minus 5x square into 35 minus x to the power of 2 plus 2x into 35 minus x to the power of 5. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಏನು 35 minus x to the power of 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ minus 5x square plus 2x into 1 factor 35 minus x correct that is 35 minus x to the power of 4 minus 5x square bracket open ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x into 35 70x minus 2x into x 2x square that is 35 minus x whole power 4 70x minus 5x square minus 2x square minus 7x square this is f dash x ಹೌದಾ now solve f dash x is equal to 0 f dash x value 35 minus x to the power of 4 into 70x minus 7x square is equal to 0. This implies either first factor 35 minus x to the power of 4 is equal to 0 or second factor 70x minus 7x square is equal to 0. Implies taking the fourth root on both sides first term 35 minus x equal to fourth root of 0 is 0 or iವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ x ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ 7x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ನೀವು 7x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 10 minus x correct is equal to 0. So 35 minus x is equal to 0 or 7x is equal to 0 or 10 minus x is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 35 or x is equal to divided by 7, 0 by 7, 0 or x is equal to 10. We got three numbers, three values. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು 35 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 35 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ನೀವು 35 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದು 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ x 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x 0 ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ x square into y power 5 0 into any number again becomes 0 ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ therefore take x is equal to 10. Okay, now once again differentiate solve f double dash x f dash x ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ apply product rule 30 minus x whole power 4 first function as it is into derivative of second function. Derivative of 70x is 70 minus derivative of 7x square 7 2s are 14x plus second function as it is 70x minus 7x square into derivative of first function. It is in the form capital X power 4. Derivative of capital X power 4 into capital X whole power 3 into derivative of capital X value 35 minus x. Derivative of 35 constant 0. Derivative of minus x is minus 1. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 35 minus x whole power 4 into 70 minus 4x plus into minus 4 into 70x minus 7x square into 35 minus x whole power 3. Now f double dash at x equal to 10 substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 30 minus 10 whole power 4 into 70 minus 14 into x value 10 14 x value 10 ಬರಲ್ಲ minus 4 70 into x value 10 minus 7 x value 10 power 2 into 35 minus 10 to the power of 3. Simplify 30 minus 10 20 whole power 4 14 into 10 140 70 minus 140 minus 70 minus 4 into 70 into 100 sorry 70 into 10 700 10 square 100 100 into 7 700 into 34 minus 10 25 whole power 3 20 power 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 20 into 20 into 20 into 20 20 into 20 that is 400 again 20 into 400 that is 1600 correct alla into minus 70 20 into 20 0 0 0 4 400 into 400 0 0 that is 4 4 1600 that is 1 lakh 60,000 1,60,000 1,60,000 correct and check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಮ್ಮೆ into minus 70 ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 700 minus 700 0 okay so my 1,60,000 into minus 70 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus sign 7 6 are 42 carry 4 7 under 7 plus 4 11 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 correct minus 11,20,000 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಾವು ಮೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಸೈನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ less than 0 it is less than 0 therefore the function f of x is equal to x square y power 5 is maximum. Therefore to find y equation 1 gives y is equal to 35 minus x value no ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 10 35 minus 10 25 so two numbers are 10 and 25
Question.
so here f double dash is here number 35 not 30 35 ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ this is 35 minus x ಇಲ್ಲೇ 35 minus 10 that is 25 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 25 ಅನ್ನ 4 times multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 25 25 is 625 625 into 25 into 25 390 625 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 390 625 second part is 0 into minus 70 ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ into ಇದೆ into side that is 2734 3750 minus sign ಇದೆ less than 0 is less than 0 f of x is maximum therefore y is equal to 25 next sum again 3 mark question ನೀವೇ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ find two positive numbers such that whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes is minimum ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ addition sum of whose cubes cube of both the numbers is minimum now two numbers ಯಾವ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ let the numbers be two numbers be say x and y according to the question ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sum of two number is 16 x plus y is equal to 16 therefore y is equal to 16 minus x ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ sum of whose cubes let sum of whose cubes denoted by f of x is equal to sum of whose cubes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x cube plus y cube sum of whose cubes is minimum so that answer ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ second order derivative should be positive sign maximum ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು minimum ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು positive sign now let f of x equal to sum of whose cubes x cube plus y cube that is f of x is equal to x cube plus y cube y value 16 minus x whole power 3 okay then differentiate working rule for solving step 1 solve f dash x derivative of x cube 3x square plus derivative of 16 minus x whole power 3 make it a standard form using composite function ಇದಕ್ಕೆ capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ capital X cube ಆಯ್ತು what is derivative of capital X cube 3 into capital X square into another friend derivative of capital X derivative of 16 constant 0 minus derivative of x is minus 1 that is 3x square plus into minus minus 3 of 16 minus x to the power of 2 this is f dash x now solve f dash x is equal to 0 what is f dash x 3x square minus 3 times 16 minus x to the power of 2 is equal to 0 simplify 3x square is equal to ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ plus 3 of 16 minus x to the power of ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x square is equal to 16 minus x to the power of 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ now taking the square root on both sides ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ square root ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ square root of x square is x square root of 16 minus x whole power 2 is 16 minus okay take minus x on left side ಈ minus x ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x that minus x goes to left side plus x is equal to 16 so x plus x 2x is equal to 16 divide by 2 16 by 2 that is 2 ones are 2 8s are we got one value one number x value 6 now if it is minimum once again differentiate solve f double dash x f dash x ಇದು ಇದರ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ derivative of 3x square 6x minus 3 constant derivative of 16 minus x to the power of 2 ಈ 16 minus x capital X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ capital X square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ derivative of capital X square is 2 into capital X differentiation main basic formula perfect ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವನು perfect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮಾರು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20 to 30 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಉಳಿದವರು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ -3 derivative of 16 minus x to the power of 2 is 2 times 16 minus x into derivative of 16 minus x. 16 constant 0 minus derivative of x is minus 1. Correct? So 6x minus 3 into 2 6 minus into minus plus 6 into 16 minus x. Now f double dash x is equal to 6x. Remove that bracket. 6 16s are 96 minus 6x plus 6x minus 6x cancel. F double dash x is equal to 96. Clearly 96 is positive value, more than 0. If it is more than 0, f of x sum of whose cubes is minimum. Now to find y value, hence equation 1 gives y is equal to 16 minus x. X value 8, that is 8. Therefore, two numbers are 8 and 8. Okay, 3 marks. Okay, next problem. Problem number 9. Nodri artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Show that of all rectangles inscribed in a given circle, the square has the maximum area. It means the sum of the rectangle is constant if the area is to be maximum. Now the question, to prove that rectangle is a square, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? rectangle area maximum ತಗೊಂಡು we should prove that that rectangle is a square. You know that properties of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. ಹೌದಾ? What is properties of square? All sides are equal. Now take opposite sides are equal. Now we should prove that those two sides are equal because it is a square. No, rectangle ಇದೆ. The rectangle inscribed in a circle. ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? rectangle ಇದೆ. This is a circle with center is at O. This is rectangle. Correct? Now here PQRS is the rectangle. O is the center of the circle. Okay. Now properties of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Now let take the side PQ is equal to say 2x and QR is say 2y. Or if you take x and y, no problem. Let x and y be the sides. Or if you take 2x and 2y. 2x and 2y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ 2x ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಂದು x ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. So join OR. OR is called radius of the circle. That radius is given by say A. Is it radius or not? Yes. Now here let 2x and 2y be the sides of a rectangle. And A be the, what is A? Radius of the circle. Radius of circle. Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು OR radius ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. PQ PR ಯಾವುದು QR ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ at the point M ಅಂತ. Right? So what is OM length? PQ length is 2x. Clearly OM length is what? X. Half. Exact half ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ OM x ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is RM? Total RQ is 2y. So RM is y. Right? We got one triangle. Right? From the triangle OMR, it is right angle triangle. Okay. Now from the figure by using Pythagoras concept apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಿದೆ Pythagoras statement? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x square, correct? Plus x square plus y square is equal to what? A square, correct? Therefore y square is equal to a square minus x square, or y is equal to taking the root on both sides. root of a square minus x square. Okay, now ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ opposite sides are equal ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? to prove that rectangle is a square. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ? those two sides are equal. to prove that x equal to y. now y is equal to root a square minus x square. now ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ has the maximum area. let capital A be the area of rectangle. ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣಲ್ಲ. what is the formula for area of rectangle? you know, length into breadth. ಹೌದಾ? so length is to the power 2x, breadth to 2y. that is A is equal to 4x. that is A is equal to 4x. you know y value? root of a square minus x square. we got the function f of x. then ಇದು f of x ಬದಲು ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? a ಇದೆ. now first step, working on for solving maximum minimum. solve f dash x. f dash x is same as dy by dx. instead of y, here the term a. so let's solve dA by dx. differentiate. there are two functions, product of two functions. first function as it is 4x into derivative of second function, opposite function. how many frames? Two frames. first friend root, second friend inner part a square minus x square. differentiate first friend. what is derivative of root? you know the formula, 1 by 2 root capital X. capital X is a square minus x square into another friend. derivative of a square constant 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x. first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. derivative of 4x is 4. now 2 cancel. that is minus 4x into x, x square by root of a square minus x square plus 4 times root of a square minus x square. now step number 1, solve dA by dx. f dash x is equal to 0. here dA by x equal to 0. dA by x value minus 4x square by root of a square minus x square plus 4 into root of a square minus x square by 1 is equal to 0. simplify. take LCM. LCM is root a square minus x square. here multiply by root a square minus x square. here multiply by 1. that is minus 4x square plus 4 root a square minus x square into root a square minus x square. root cancel. a square minus x square is equal to 0. implies minus 4x square. remove the bracket plus 4a square minus 4x square is equal to cross multiply root a square minus x square into 0. 0. rearrange. 4a square minus 4x square minus 4x square minus 8x square is equal to 0. or 8x square is equal to 4a square or x square is equal to divide by 8. 4a square by 8, that is 4 ones are 4 twos are a square by 2. x square equal to a square by 2. therefore x is equal to taking the root on both sides. square root of a square is a by root 2. One side C. if the area is maximum, maximum means second order derivative should be negative. alright, direct ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ clearly. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. d square a by dx square is less than 0. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. right, directly it is maximum. that is d square a by dx square is less than 0. since a is maximum, since area is maximum, therefore d square a by dx square is less than 0. now to find the value of y, x value ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, y value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. equation 1 use y is equal to root of a square minus x square. x value a by root x square is a square by 2. that is y is equal to root LCM is 2. 2a square minus a square 1a square. square root of a square is a by root 2. therefore x is equal to a by root 2. y is equal to a by root 2. hence both the sides are equal. if the sides are equal, hence rectangle is a square. 3 mark question. diagram draw ಮಾಡಿ solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.